Alright, so before the video gets started, I want to let you know we're doing a giveaway when we reach 700. So we're going to be giving away the Lasfit switchback LEDs, white to yellow, you know. We're going to be giving away a pair of those to someone, so comment below what color Mav you got and subscribe to the channel. And once we reach 700 subs, I'll go through all the comments and pick a random winner. So if you want a pair of Lasfit switchback LED turn signals, subscribe and comment below. And now we'll show you the vid. Alright, what's up guys? We're back at the Maverick. So last time we did the Lasfit switchback LEDs up here. We did the Lasfit lights in here, right? Today we have the side marker lights for right here. And we have the cargo light for that bad boy. So hopefully it's just gonna make it brighter, look better than stock lights in my truck. So I guess we'll start with 1 or 2. We're starting with the cargo light. So what we're gonna need for the cargo light is a T20 Torx bit. Get up in here and get the first tech. We got these 4 T20 screws. Look how long that is. So now I think it's exploded. Alright. Now we got this.
Man, that's what your paint used to look like. Can you believe that?
A lot of dirt. Now you're gonna pop this out.
Let me show the people what's going on.
You got the white lights on the side, right? You go mink. Man, this shit wasn't so fucking tight. Oh, don't tell me I gotta take the ball first. Alright. There you go, that's how it's supposed to work. That's my finger soaking with it. Alright, then you pull out the bowls. Hold this. So these are the new ones. So you can see, compare it to stock. Again, this LED is going to be way brighter than this. So we should be able to get a better look of our cargo area. Might not even need to put a light mod in there. We shall see though. We shall see. You stick it in like this. Bang. Why is that your weedly wobbly? Alright. Stick it in. Twist. Other side. Stick it in. Get it in there good. Put it in here. Twist. Put this on. Man, I wish I had the keys in my pocket. Where does things go? Alright, well, let's get this back on. The same 4 screws that came off. Surprise, surprise. Alright, click. Those are torqued. Let's go move on to the side marker lights. So what you're going to need for this is either like a clip removal tool or a flathead. You're gonna see these clips, bing, 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 like all of these jumps.
Man, there's that many.
Yeah, I know. Went a little crazy with it, didn't it?
What, you just gotta pop off a few of them or something?
Something like that. See, this is when you pull it out too far. I didn't want it to come all the way out. Alright, did they see that?
I think so.
So
Couldn't see.
I can show you right here. It's gonna be like this. You're gonna find this little lip, get under, pull up. Man, I can't grip this.
You're fumbling in there.
Pull up, then it'll be out, and then you can get under this side and pull the whole thing out. Bang, clip out.
How many we gotta do?
I don't know. I should have turned the. You can show them in there, like where that bundle is and stuff. Can they see?
I think they can see. They can at least see those wires.
You're gonna reach in, and look. If you wiggle it, that's it. All right.
Right.
Then you're gonna turn it. You're gonna turn it to the left, the harness part. Then the bulb's gonna come out. Here it is. You can see that?
They can see that.
There's the comparison. Once again, Lastfit lights, as usual, look way more substantial. I don't know, they just know what they're doing or something. Then you stick it in. Can they see that? Maybe.
Possibly.
Stick it in. Put it back in the bulb housing. And then turn it to the right this time. Click into place. Then that's it.
Y'all could see it in there when you was wiggling the gel. It's not a vid if you're not running back to the garage, huh?
Turn on.
Yeah. You can tell out here, fucking 9 in the morning, sun beaming down.
Yeah, nah. Then you just gotta get this shit, tuck it back up here how it was. Then we gotta put all our clips in. So here go one. Bang. This is the good thing about new cars, bro. Everything just works. Everything comes apart how it went together. Goes together how it came apart. It's not like the clips on that.
What clips?
Clips that used to exist on that, I should say. Alright, well that's how you do it. So the other side, same thing. Alright, it turns out this side's not the same. There's this Fomoco Bosch thing in the way. Don't know what that is. Haven't checked. But this clip, you gotta reach your hand in, get this, and pry it open from the outside. So you got the whole thing. But now I can show you what it looked like. You go ahead and twist and yank, you know, classic LED stuff. Get this out. Where is it? Then you got this. You get this shoving. You still got the key to test that?
It's in the back of your jump.
Alright, there you go. It works. Let there be light. So you go to bang. Then you're gonna put this backside in first. And there you go. You might be able to just pry it up without pushing the clip from the inside. But I didn't want to fuck up the paint, so I didn't try it. But there you go. Then you just put the clips back in and good to go. Come back at night, show you what it looks like. Alright, so I'm back out at the truck. Now that it's nighttime, show you what the lights look like. So we got the side marker right here. You can tell it's definitely brighter with the LEDs. Looks pretty good. I mean, anything that adds visibility to your car at night is good. And the cargo lights are way brighter. I don't know if you can see that good, but if you guys are working in your bed at night, these cargo lights are definitely lighting up the whole bed. So hope you liked the vid. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll catch you in the next one someday.